I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, and I'll be showing you how to change or how to customize the data screen for specific workouts. That's basically the data that's displayed on your screen during a workout, and you can actually customize this for specific workouts. So if you go to the workout style, and let's pick a workout like bike, for instance. Now if you tap on that just before it starts, tap on settings, and then you should see the options to set the target. And if you scroll, you will see workout screen. Now if you tap on that, you can see this workout has two data screens. So we have data screen 1 that shows all that, and data screen 2. So you can come to data screen 1, for instance, and change the layout. So if you pick that layout, or maybe you want this layout which has more information, or this one, okay, now you can see what that layout shows you. So this one has duration, duration, duration. Now duration 3 times doesn't make any sense, so you can tap on one of the items and pick something else like time, okay, which is still duration. So let's pick something different like calories, so you can see how many calories you're burning. But since you also have calories here, let's change that to something else like average speed. And then you can change this to something else like elevation gain. So you can actually monitor your elevation gain while you cycle. And then of course we have heart rate, which sticks there. This is the stuff you can change. And then once you select those, you can now also go to the second data screen and choose what you want to see. So this one shows average pace, speed, and heart rate. So you can tap on that and change it to something different. And you can customize these data screens to exactly what you want, so that when you start a workout, that's the information you see on these two screens. So we have that screen, and then we have that screen. Okay, now this one is the music screen, and this is basically the data screen that we were customizing. So where you actually see your data during that particular workout. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.